Well, hey, welcome back to Movie Community College. I am the professor. How are you? It's time for the EIC outrage. We're going to look at that student Kumar and all the stuff that happened with him. I have no idea. Somebody just said watch this trailer and react to it, this video, and I am. So let's do this.
The following video is about one student. It's not about Omar Khalid, Anirban Bhattacharya or roll number 786 or whatever. On February 9th, this happened. And most of India immediately said, Kanhaiya Kumar is a Deshdrohi. Deshdrohi Part 2. KRK, Kanhaiya R. Khan. Hafiz Saeed Gepal, Ajmal Kasab's Facebook friend. He's anti-India, anti-Bharat, anti-missile. He gave DDLJ half star on BollywoodHangama.com. Deshdrohi. Then on March 5th, Kanhaiya gave this speech at JNU.
भारत से नहीं मेरे भाइयों, भारत में आजादी मांग रहे हैं.
And most of India now said, Kanhaiya Kumar he's a true patriot. Future PM, future Miss India, male Priyanka Chopra. He is Rahul Gandhi. He is the Rahul Gandhi we want, not the Rahul Gandhi we have. Sachin Tendulkar's FB friend. He started the Indus Valley civilization. It took 21 days for our opinions to completely switch. So who is Kanhaiya Kumar? Probably neither of these two extremes. Now when the news came out saying that Kanhaiya had given anti-India speeches, I was pissed. One, how is Kanhaiya Kumar a 28-year-old student? He's Ranchod Das. Lied about his name again. Two, I was pissed because who are these students? Why do they hate India? Javed Miandad fans kahin ke sale. Hut! I love my country. I may make fun of it on a regular basis, but I love it until my Australian citizenship comes through. Me and Kiran Rao have applied together. And then I discovered one, Kanhaiya is doing his PhD, Pizza Hut delivery. Yes, and the average PhD takes till 33 to graduate. 33 years? That's too long to wait for my cheese burst. And more importantly, two, the footage was probably doctored. Doctored by a real doctor, not a PhD. Oh snap! Life sciences in your face. Either way, no matter where you stand on the Kanhaiya issue, the BJP changed their opinion. Because they saw this college incident and overreacted. More than H2SO4 reacts when you miss her birthday. H2SO4 is my wife's name. A deplorable college incident was blown completely out of proportion. First, cops stormed into the campus to arrest the students on the basis of two tweets. Hashtag facepalm. Booked Kanhaiya under sedition and lawyers beat him up on the way to the court. Hashtag facepalms. He was put in jail for 18 days without trial or real proof. Hashtag facefoot. And BJP lawmakers OP Sharma and Vikram Chauhan beat up students who showed up to courts because कानून के हाथ लौंडे होते हैं. Hashtag face feet. And then the parade of psychos began. This guy with Shikhar Dhawan's dad's mustache said,
3,000 से अधिक विरोध में किए जाने वाले कंडोम जो वहाँ लड़कियाँ पढ़ती हैं हमारी बहन बेटी उनके साथ कैसे पोकर्म या पोकर्म करते हैं. 3,000 से ज़्यादा कंडोम मिलते हैं और 500 प्रयोग में लिए गए इंजेक्शन मिलते हैं. वो इंजेक्शन गर्भ गिराने के हैं.
3,000 condoms and 500 birth control pills daily. Why are JNU students so angry? Apparently everyone there is getting laid daily. Sex ke liye. Present sir. Their sex rate is higher than the cutoff at Delhi University. 100%. Then there was this cute little fellow.
भैया ने कल जेएनयू कैंपस में गालियां दी. मैं उसकी जीभ काटने वाले को उसकी जो जीभ है वो कटनी चाहिए और उसको काटने वाले को मैं 5 लाख रुपए का इनाम दूंगा.
He said he'll pay 5 lakh rupees for Kanhaiya's tongue. 5 lakhs for a tongue. Imagine how much he'd pay for a 6 lakhs, one for each inch. But BJP suspended him for 6 years. Good. One for each inch. And even the big guns stepped in, the education minister. It was an emotional speech, which made you ask one small little question. Doesn't JNU have a goddamn college principal? Did Dolores Umbridge get him fired? Kanhaiya Kumar returned to JNU after 18 days of jail. He could have been pissed off or subdued. He wasn't.
उस जन विरोधी सरकार के खिलाफ बोलेंगे तो उनका साइबर सेल क्या करेगा? वो डॉक्टर्ड वीडियो भेजेगा. वो आपको गालियां बाद और वो गिनेगा कि आपके डस्टबिन में कितना कॉन्डम है।
PWN BJP bros. He was funny and charming. Two things BJP orators can learn to be. Do I think Kanhaiya is the future of all humanity? No. Do I think the government treated him utterly unlawfully? Yes. Smriti Irani at least attempted to debate him. Of course, she forgot facts. Basically doctored her speech before giving it. Doctor, life sciences, what? But at least she used words to debate. That's the whole goddamn point. Why is our first reaction to anyone disagreeing with our worldview is always, kill him na, chal na, ek baar maar dena, kya badi baat hai? Talk, debate, expel these guys if the college deems fit. Because you know what is truly anti-national? A government who consistently treats its citizens like a bunch of stupid kids. Keep doing that and even 3,000 condoms won't prevent the birth of more Kanhaiyas. And that is not a good thing. That's my outrage for today. Where is my cheese burst? Are you anti-national? Do you hate your country? Do you love my country? Because my country is the country of YouTube, which is where you are right now. The capital of YouTube is subscribe. So don't.
That was really funny. I enjoy the EIC outrage moments. They do a great job. Very, very funny. What say you, my friends? Please subscribe to the channel. That way you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.